Hot air balloon ride. Let's get started. What is a hot air balloon and how does it work? What is a hot air balloon and how does it work?
A hot air balloon is a flying vehicle that uses heated air to rise. The burner warms the air inside the envelope, making it lighter than the cooler air outside. This causes the balloon to float. A hot air balloon is a flying vehicle that uses heated air to rise. The burner warms the air inside the envelope, making it lighter than the cooler air outside. This causes the balloon to float.
How high do hot air balloons fly? How high do hot air balloons fly?
Most balloons fly between 300 to 3,000 feet above the ground. The height depends on the weather and location. Most balloons fly between 300 to 3,000 feet above the ground. The height depends on the weather and location.
How long does a hot air balloon ride last? How long does a hot air balloon ride last?
The flight usually lasts 45 minutes to 1 hour. Including setup and landing, the whole experience takes about 2.5 to 3 hours. The flight usually lasts 45 minutes to 1 hour. Including setup and landing, the whole experience takes about 2.5 to 3 hours.
How fast does a hot air balloon travel? How fast does a hot air balloon travel?
Balloons move with the wind, usually at 5 to 10 miles per hour. They don't have engines, so they drift naturally. Balloons move with the wind, usually at 5 to 10 miles per hour. They don't have engines, so they drift naturally.
What happens if the balloon runs out of fuel? What happens if the balloon runs out of fuel?
Pilots carry extra propane to avoid this. Running out of fuel is very rare and carefully prevented. Pilots carry extra propane to avoid this. Running out of fuel is very rare and carefully prevented.
Is hot air ballooning safe? Is hot air ballooning safe?
Yes, it's safe when done by trained pilots and in good weather. Safety checks are always done before flying. Yes, it's safe when done by trained pilots and in good weather. Safety checks are always done before flying.
How do pilots control altitude? How do pilots control altitude?
They use the burner to heat the air or let it cool. They use the burner to heat the air or let it cool.
When is the best time to fly? When is the best time to fly?
Early morning, just after sunrise, is best. The air is calm and the views are beautiful. Early morning, just after sunrise, is best. The air is calm and the views are beautiful.
Which months are best for ballooning? Which months are best for ballooning?
Spring and autumn are popular because of mild weather. Some places offer flights all year. Spring and autumn are popular because of mild weather. Some places offer flights all year.
What should I wear? What should I wear?
Wear layers to stay warm, closed-toe shoes, and avoid loose clothing. A hat and sunglasses are helpful. Wear layers to stay warm, closed-toe shoes, and avoid loose clothing. A hat and sunglasses are helpful.
Can I bring a camera or phone? Can I bring a camera or phone?
Yes, but keep it safe with a strap or case. Many people take amazing aerial photos. Yes, but keep it safe with a strap or case. Many people take amazing aerial photos.
Are balloon rides available all year? Are balloon rides available all year?
In some places, yes. But flights depend on weather, so winter or rainy seasons may have fewer options. In some places, yes. But flights depend on weather, so winter or rainy seasons may have fewer options.
What if the weather is bad? What if the weather is bad?
Flights are cancelled for safety. Most companies offer a reschedule or refund. Flights are cancelled for safety. Most companies offer a reschedule or refund.
Is there an age limit? Is there an age limit?
Children under 6 years old are usually not allowed. Some companies require passengers to be at least 10 to 12 years old. Children under 6 years old are usually not allowed. Some companies require passengers to be at least 10 to 12 years old.
Is ballooning good for children? Is ballooning good for children?
Yes, for older kids who can stand for an hour and follow instructions. Yes, for older kids who can stand for an hour and follow instructions.
Can pregnant women go ballooning? Can pregnant women go ballooning?
Most companies say no, because landings can be bumpy and you must stand for a long time. Most companies say no, because landings can be bumpy and you must stand for a long time.
Do I need to sign a liability waiver form? Do I need to sign a liability waiver form?
Yes. A waiver is a form that says you understand the risks and agree to follow safety rules. Yes. A waiver is a form that says you understand the risks and agree to follow safety rules.
What if I'm afraid of heights? What if I'm afraid of heights?
Many people with height fears feel okay in a balloon. The ride is smooth and doesn't feel scary. Many people with height fears feel okay in a balloon. The ride is smooth and doesn't feel scary.
Will I get motion sickness? Will I get motion sickness?
Very unlikely. Balloons move gently with the wind, so there's no swaying or shaking. Very unlikely. Balloons move gently with the wind, so there's no swaying or shaking.
What does takeoff and landing feel like? What does takeoff and landing feel like?
Takeoff is smooth and quiet. Landing may be a little bumpy, but pilots are trained to handle it safely. Takeoff is smooth and quiet. Landing may be a little bumpy, but pilots are trained to handle it safely.
How many people fit in one balloon? How many people fit in one balloon?
Small balloons carry 2 to 4 people, large ones can hold up to 16 passengers. Small balloons carry 2 to 4 people, large ones can hold up to 16 passengers.
Do I need training before flying? Do I need training before flying?
No training needed, but you'll get a short safety briefing before the flight. No training needed, but you'll get a short safety briefing before the flight.
What happens after the flight? What happens after the flight?
A chase crew picks you up at the landing spot. Some tours include a celebration or certificate. A chase crew picks you up at the landing spot. Some tours include a celebration or certificate.
What are the best places for balloon rides? What are the best places for balloon rides?
Famous spots include Cappadocia, Bagan, Serengeti, Napa Valley, and Luxor. Famous spots include Cappadocia, Bagan, Serengeti, Napa Valley, and Luxor.
Why is Cappadocia so popular? Why is Cappadocia so popular?
It has amazing rock formations and great flying weather. The views are magical. It has amazing rock formations and great flying weather. The views are magical.
What's special about Bagan, Myanmar? What's special about Bagan, Myanmar?
You fly over thousands of ancient temples at sunrise. It's a peaceful and beautiful experience. You fly over thousands of ancient temples at sunrise. It's a peaceful and beautiful experience.
Can I see animals in Africa? Can I see animals in Africa?
Yes. In places like the Serengeti, you can see elephants, giraffes, and more from the air. Yes. In places like the Serengeti, you can see elephants, giraffes, and more from the air.
How do I choose a destination? How do I choose a destination?
Think about what you love, nature, history, or culture. Some places offer a mix of all three. Think about what you love, nature, history, or culture. Some places offer a mix of all three.